Hello everybody and welcome to day 12 of Waxvent. Just me in this video today. We've got a keratin plug in a narrow canal. Humid.
That's what I was just going to say.
Canal.
I'd probably look really weird next. I was about to say this when
Humid.
just made a little noise.
And we are like narrow.
As narrow as they come.
We are tiny. Yeah, look at this bad boy. I'm trying just to hold it open with the side of the suction because I've got no chance of getting both in there.
Oh, look at that.
That's thick, isn't it?
That's not what you want to see in an ear canal like that.
It's not. I bet this was a last patient on a Friday.
Yeah,
I guarantee it.
Who turned up 20 minutes late.
Yeah. You guarantee. Oh yeah.
Yeah, start suction away.
Start that collapse. You can see on the camera. What's going on with it? Let's give this a wait. There you go.
Just
waving it in front of me. I was like, I surrender. See how that skin is just doing that. You've got to be so super careful with these. They're very difficult to do.
Manual tool? Curette?
Either I use a Curette, I can't really remember, but either I use a Curette or I get somebody to hold the ear canal open.
Ah, okay.
I think I got somebody to hold the ear canal open because that looks like
that looks a
bit wider. So I think I got one of the ladies on reception to come and give me a hand. I think there was nobody else around that day, and but this is turned into a proper keratin peel.
Oh gosh.
Yeah. And now this has got that slightly soft, not sticky, but this kind of like butter sugar mix.
Yeah.
And you've got the smaller tube on there, and then what you end up with, it just blocks all the time because it's such a fine aperture on there.
Oh, that's horrendous.
It's not nice, is it? There's just no room left in there at all. So I think we're going to have to put some oil in. There you go.
Yeah, that looks very eczema-y as well. The skin on the pinna, the outer part of the ear, it's very dry, and you know, you can sometimes see like little scabs and cracks in some patients' skin as well.
So I'm trying to clear the centre because I can see we've got this kind of ring or this kind of outer layer of dry skin, and then we've got this really soft, which is almost like the little bits of keratin that have dried up and flaked away, and they've all collected in the middle, and you've got this thick outer, almost like shell of really kind of toughened up keratin on the outside part of the ear canal. It's a really difficult one because you've got to kind of clear the centre to be able to pull the sides in. So it's almost a case of trying to pull the sides, then clear the middle, then pull the sides, then clear the middle, then clip the sides off and repeat the process over again, isn't it?
Yep.
Not easy ones.
Nope.
Great if you could get the standard size in here.
Oh, that'd be perfect.
That'd be great, which is I think what I'm trying to do.
That looks like the standard.
That's the standard. Just a little bit more suction power, and clearing that central kind of more crumbly, loose keratin in the middle. Great for that kind of thing. I think this is the point where I had to get somebody to give me a hand. And you can see that as soon as we put the suction tube in, you'll start to see the oil kind of moving around in there a little bit just with the power of the suction.
Oh, that grey sort of, that's all the skin, isn't it? That's like the pressure of the skin, the pressure of the dead skin.
Yeah. It's that thick surface layer that's all just peeling away here. Yeah. But that if I can just get this kind of central core out, I've got a better chance of peeling that dead skin. And there is a little gap underneath, so it's promising. There's a bit of light at the end of the tunnel here.
Just roll and unstick.
That would be nice. And then just kind of crumble down in situ. That would be awesome. There you go. You can see you can almost tell as soon as the suction tube goes in, because that humidity just disappears straight away off the camera. Can we get to this last central? Ooh, there we go. So you can see I'm struggling a bit. This is where you need that go-go gadget arm to come over, lift the pinner up for you. Yeah. I can see I'm attempting it, but as soon as I see that side of the canal wall just tense a little, well, no, it's not even tensing, it's just collapsing here. coming straight back out. There we go. Is it going to peel away? Are we going to get this bottom section here? Would be great. So it again then.
Yeah.
It's frustrating, isn't it? Because you get so far into it and you're kind of like, and it just collapses down as you start to make a bit of headway.
So I think the loop version of the microsuction would probably be better in this type of ear canal with the speckly.
Yes.
Popping a little speck, which is like a little cone. There's a certain type of microsuction that some places will. We don't do it here, but some places will pop a little cone. Basically, pull your ear open, pop a little cone in, and then go in the middle of the cone to get the wax.
So that's what Neil's developed now, isn't it? A similar kind of.
Oh yes, I can't remember what it's called. Wax
scope.
No. Is it wax scope?
Or is this one the because the endoscope's the eye clear scope?
It is. Yeah. So yeah, that would be ideal for this type of ear canal.
Yeah. It's just so mushy. You just want like a bit of a break. If we can break the skin at the top, just so you can get it rolling, would be good.
Oh, it's moving a little bit more.
Yeah. It's kind of crumbling off though, isn't it? You're not getting that really big pull.
Got a bit more oil now.
Yeah. Let's see if that makes a difference. There we go. Yeah, sometimes as you grip it, the oil just flings up over the camera, but you just don't move. You just stay exactly where you are. And then if it clears, great. If it doesn't, then you slowly back it back out. Yeah, I just need something to break.
Yeah, again, difficult with like our patients or any patient, not just our patients obviously, but anybody that has eczema or psoriasis or any other skin condition. Oh, there it goes.
That's what we were looking for it to do.
You need them cleared on a regular basis, because again, it's just gonna, not only for us but for yourself, it's gonna make it more difficult, and it's just gonna take that bit of extra time to clear. Whereas regular checkups every sort of 3 months or 6 months, just to keep on top of it really.
I think you do get it sometimes. I've had patients where they come through where I've put in the notes, I recommend this patient comes back in sort of like 6 months, and they come back like 3 years later.
3 years later, I'm struggling.
So I'm really struggling. You managed last time. I was like, well, I did, but we could tell it was going to be difficult, which is why I want you back every 6 months. But it's. We do advise people roughly when to come back. Most cases, I'd say the average for wax removal is put every sort of 12 months, 18 months thereabouts. Yeah. For a relatively average size ear canal, average wax production, stuff like that when you get to a certain age. But with these types of ones, you've got to see this at a minimum every 6 months, haven't you?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Sometimes we'll say, look, I don't think I can get this out today. And I'm like, well, I'll keep going, but I think you might have just left it too long.
And he went,
yeah.
Only joking.
How'd it go? Oh my goodness,
it's just not looking like it's changing, is it?
No, and this has got that. It's gone from that soft material now to this really hard. It almost looks like. There's minerals inside. You know, that kind of almost like a quartz running through it. You get these shiny patches in it where it's really, really dry. But we are winning. We're getting there, guys. It's almost there.
Like Snow White within the mine.
Yes, the old hi-ho.
Hi-ho. I bet we just instantly made you all want to watch Disney now.
I know. I haven't seen it because you like Disney, do you? You've got a bit of a thing with Disney. No, that sounds weird. No, you enjoy Disney films.
Yeah, I don't mind it. Yeah, some of the live action replays are pretty good as well, to be fair.
Yeah, there's a bit of furore about Moana, wasn't there? Because they're making a live action version of that.
Yeah.
And it's only like a couple of years old, so they're. It's funny, they don't seem to be any like really good. Like I really enjoyed Moana. Moana was Theo's kind of Disney film. Yeah. I'm so glad it wasn't Frozen. I think it's just can you imagine that on a loop constantly. Thanks.
Yeah. Listen to this.
Yeah.
I have all day.
Yeah. I'm in the car.
Yeah. Oh, gosh.
We were looking after my grandson when my daughter went to have a baby. We go in the car and everything was like, nursery rhymes. I was like, okay. I've viewed Incy Wincy Spider so many times in our cars. Driving like places you didn't know with Incy Wincy Spider going constantly in the background. Sing along, Granchi.
No.
No.
Not for the 12th time.
I remember when Theo was very little, and my daughter, she was probably about 14, I think, 15, and Mrs. B and our daughter went to watch Ed Sheeran in Wembley Stadium.
Oh yeah.
And Theo was tiny at the time. He was in a dut, and we'd driven all the way. And oh god, have you ever driven to Wembley?
I've stayed around Wembley.
Oh my word.
I think I saw Kevin Hart.
Oh yeah.
No, it wasn't Wembley. Sorry, no, that was the O2 Arena.
Oh, I don't mind the O2.
Yeah.
But this, oh my goodness, it took hours. I was singing Three Little Speckle, or Little Speckle, you know, 5 Little Speckle for. Honestly, for about 2 hours solid. He just cried in the back of the game. When you're on your own in the car, you can't do anything about it. You're stuck in traffic, and he was like, ah, and I was like, yeah, 5 Little Speckle for. Sitting there rocking back, 5 Little Speckle for.
Was you crying then?
Almost. It came close, it really did. Well, guys, we hope you enjoyed day 12 of Waxvent as much as we did voicing that one over. Don't forget, if you do enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for us. That'd be absolutely fantastic. And if you thoroughly enjoy the videos, become a member. You'll get even more videos every single week as well, guys. But until day 13, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And me and Taylor will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.